Crash course on United Kingdom, UK, cultural festivals and traditions. Welcome to a crash course on the vibrant cultural festivals and traditions of the United Kingdom. This diverse country is home to a multitude of celebrations that showcase its rich heritage and diverse communities. Let's dive into some interesting stories and examples that will ignite your excitement for these cultural festivities. 1. Notting Hill Carnival. Held annually in London, the Notting Hill Carnival is one of the largest street festivals in the world. It celebrates Caribbean culture with vibrant parades, live music, and mouth-watering Caribbean cuisine. 2. Edinburgh Festival Fringe. As the world's largest arts festival, the Edinburgh Festival Fringe attracts performers from around the globe. It features a wide range of performances, including theatre, comedy, dance, and music, creating a lively and creative atmosphere in the historic city of Edinburgh. 3. St. Patrick's Day. Celebrated on March 17th, St. Patrick's Day is a lively festival that honours Ireland's patron saint. The festivities include parades, music, traditional Irish dancing, and a sea of green as people come together to celebrate Irish culture. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that showcase the cultural festivals and traditions of the United Kingdom. 1. Notting Hill Carnival, London, England. 2. Edinburgh Festival Fringe, Edinburgh, Scotland. 3. St. Patrick's Day Parade, Belfast, Northern Ireland. 4. Glastonbury Festival, Glastonbury, England. 5. Diwali Festival, Leicester, England. 6. Up Heliar Fire Festival, Shetland, Scotland. 7. Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo, Edinburgh, Scotland. 8. Pembrokeshire Fish Week, Pembrokeshire, Wales. 9. Burns Night, throughout Scotland. 10. Oxford and Cambridge Boat Race, London, England. 11. Manchester International Festival, Manchester, England. 12. The Great Yorkshire Show, Harrogate, England. These cultural festivals and traditions offer a glimpse into the diverse communities and rich heritage of the United Kingdom. Whether you find yourself captivated by the colourful parades of Notting Hill Carnival, immersed in the creative energy of the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, or enchanted by the vibrant celebrations of St. Patrick's Day, each festival promises a unique and memorable experience. In summary, the United Kingdom's cultural festivals and traditions are a testament to its rich cultural tapestry. From celebrating Caribbean culture at the Notting Hill Carnival to experiencing the artistic extravaganza of the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, these festivities bring people together and showcase the vibrant spirit of the country. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the United Kingdom's cultural festivals and traditions with a poem. In the United Kingdom's vibrant land. Cultural festivals, a joyous band. Notting Hill Carnival's Caribbean flair. Edinburgh Festival Fringe, creativity to share. St. Patrick's Day, a sea of green. The Spirit of Ireland, a joyous scene. Glastonbury's music, a festival grand. Diwali's lights, Leicester's command. Up Heliar, a fiery delight. Royal Edinburgh Tattoo, captivating sight. Pembrokeshire Fish Week, a coastal feast. Burns Night's Haggis, Scotland's beast. Oxford and Cambridge, boat race fierce. Manchester Festival, Arts Universe. Great Yorkshire Show, traditions unfold. The United Kingdom's cultural stories, to be told. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.